The Supreme Court on Friday overturned the order of President Muhammadu Buhari on Naira redesign policy, declaring it as an affront to the 1999 Constitution. The Apex Court therefore ordered that the old 200 Naira, 500 Naira, and 1000 Naira notes remain in circulation till December 31st, 2023. The Supreme Court delivered judgment in the case brought before it by 16 states of the Federation, challenging the legality or otherwise of the introduction of the policy. Justice John Yang Okoro, who led a 7-man panel of justices of the court, had on February 22 fixed March 3rd for the court to make its decision known on the suit. The Apex Court ruled that the old Naira notes should remain legal tender alongside the new Naira notes. The 16 states led by Kaduna, Kogi, and Safara prayed the Apex Court to void and set aside the policy on the ground that it is inflicting hardship on innocent Nigerians. President Muhammadu Buhari was accused of arrogating the function of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, in the introduction and implementation of the policy and asked that the directive issued by Buhari be voided. On its part, the federal government challenged the jurisdiction of the Apex Court on the grounds that the CBN was not joined as a party and that the dispute on the policy ought to be directed at the CBN so that the suit could be referred to the Federal High Court. Governor Nasri El-Rufai of Kaduna State, Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello, and their Zamfara State counterpart, Bello Matawale, were in the court to witness the judgment. Shortly after the judgment, Governor El-Rufai told newsmen that the judgment is victory to democracy.
The Supreme Court of Nigeria has given us all the reliefs that we sought for by a very unanimous judgment. The full court of 7 justices gave a unanimous judgment 7-0 that all our prayers through the court have been accepted. This is a victory for Nigerians. Because this policy, which was designed and targeted at a political party and its candidates, has brought untold hardship on our people. This is why the 3 of us took a decision to come to the Supreme Court. We are APC members. The President of Nigeria is from the APC, but we disagreed with him on this policy and its implementation. And when we tried everything to settle this behind closed doors, we had no option but to come to the Supreme Court. We are very grateful to the court for its unanimous decision and the orders it has given to the government, federal government of Nigeria, to ensure that from today till the 31st of December 2023, the old Naira notes of all denominations shall continue to circulate side by side with the new Naira notes.
This particular decision today has laid a solid foundation for our incoming president, the president-elect Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to start and cruise on a solid foundation. This particular decision today has proven that Nigerian law is a respecter of no one, including Mr. President. Nobody can take the laws for granted.
It is hoped that the federal government will abide by the rule and allow the old and new Naira notes to run concurrently until December 31st, 2023. Kyle Dadigbili reporting for Pop TV News at Duikiti.
People of the Fountain.